In recent years, there has been a notable shift towards natural and holistic approaches to health, driven by growing concerns about the side effects of conventional medications and an increasing desire for sustainable, accessible solutions. This trend is particularly evident in the realm of respiratory health, where cough remedies have long relied on over-the-counter pharmaceuticals or prescription drugs. However, as awareness of the potential risks associated with synthetic treatments grows, many are turning to age-old practices rooted in traditional medicine. Among these, the use of onions and honey as a natural cough remedy has gained significant attention, not only for its simplicity but also for its effectiveness. This resurgence of interest in natural solutions reflects a broader movement towards self-care and wellness, emphasizing the importance of harnessing the healing properties of readily available ingredients. The appeal of such remedies lies in their accessibility and affordability. Unlike pharmaceutical options that often require a visit to the pharmacy or a doctor's prescription, natural remedies can be prepared at home using common kitchen ingredients. This accessibility is particularly valuable in underserved communities or regions where healthcare resources may be limited. Furthermore, the minimal processing involved in creating these remedies aligns with the principles of sustainability, reducing reliance on industrially manufactured products that contribute to environmental degradation. As people become more conscious of their ecological footprint, the idea of utilizing what nature provides resonates deeply. Beyond practical considerations, the cultural and historical significance of natural remedies adds another layer to their appeal. For centuries, traditional medicine systems across the globe have relied on plants and natural substances to treat various ailments. Onions and honey, in particular, have been celebrated for their medicinal properties in ancient texts and folklore. The onion, with its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory compounds, has been used to address respiratory issues, while honey has long been valued for its soothing effects on the throat and its ability to act as a natural preservative. By revisiting these time-tested practices, modern society is not only rediscovering the wisdom of past generations but also fostering a deeper connection to the natural world. This renewed interest in natural remedies is further fueled by mounting evidence from scientific studies that validate the efficacy of certain traditional treatments. Research has shown that onions contain quercetin, a flavonoid with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which may help alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions. Similarly, honey has been found to possess antibacterial qualities and can serve as a demulcent, coating the throat to reduce irritation. These findings bridge the gap between traditional knowledge and modern science, lending credibility to natural remedies and encouraging their integration into contemporary healthcare practices. The growing popularity of natural cough remedies also reflects a broader societal shift toward empowerment in health management. Rather than relying solely on external interventions, individuals are increasingly taking charge of their well-being by exploring alternative options. This proactive approach not only fosters a sense of autonomy but also encourages a more personalized and holistic understanding of health. In this context, the use of onions and honey represents more than just a practical solution. It symbolizes a return to simplicity, authenticity, and a harmonious relationship with nature. Creating the onion-honey syrup is a straightforward process that requires minimal effort yet yields a potent natural remedy. The preparation begins with selecting high-quality ingredients, fresh onions and raw honey, as both play crucial roles in the remedy's effectiveness. To start, the onions are peeled and finely chopped, ensuring maximum surface area for interaction with the honey. This step is essential because the active compounds in onions, such as quercetin and sulfur-containing compounds, need to be released into the honey during the infusion process. Once the onions are prepared, they are layered alternately with honey in a clean, dry jar. Each layer of onion is generously topped with honey, creating a consistent pattern that facilitates even distribution of the onion's beneficial properties. After filling the jar, the mixture is left to sit undisturbed for 24 hours. During this time, the osmotic properties of honey draw out the water-soluble compounds from the onions, resulting in a thin, amber-colored syrup. The honey acts as both a solvent and a preservative, ensuring that the active components of the onion remain stable and effective. This prolonged infusion period allows the flavors and medicinal properties of the ingredients to meld seamlessly, enhancing the syrup's potency. Once the waiting period is complete, the liquid is carefully strained to remove any solid remnants of onion. The resulting syrup is smooth, translucent, and ready for use, offering a concentrated blend of the therapeutic properties of both ingredients. Storage plays a critical role in maintaining the syrup's quality and extending its shelf life. After straining, the syrup should be transferred to an airtight container and stored in the refrigerator. The cool temperature slows down any potential microbial activity, ensuring the remedy remains safe and effective for an extended period. Under these conditions, the onion honey syrup can last indefinitely, making it a convenient option for households looking to keep a natural cough remedy on hand. This simplicity in preparation and storage underscores the practicality of the remedy, allowing individuals to create and maintain their supply without specialized equipment or expertise. The process of making the syrup also highlights the synergy between the two ingredients. While onions provide the active medicinal compounds, honey serves as a carrier that not only preserves these properties but also enhances the overall palatability of the remedy. This combination ensures that the syrup is not only effective but also pleasant to consume, even for children or those with sensitive taste preferences. The ease of preparation, coupled with the minimal waste generated, makes this remedy an environmentally friendly choice, aligning with the principles of sustainability that underpin the growing interest in natural health solutions. Through this methodical yet uncomplicated process, the onion honey syrup exemplifies how traditional knowledge and modern practices can converge to create a powerful tool for respiratory health. At the heart of the onion honey syrup's efficacy lies the rich pharmacological profile of its key ingredients, each contributing unique properties that synergize to combat respiratory ailments. Onions, often underestimated in their culinary simplicity, harbor a wealth of bioactive compounds that have been scientifically validated for their medicinal benefits. Chief among these is quercetin, a flavonoid renowned for its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Quercetin works by neutralizing free radicals that contribute to oxidative stress, a known factor in the exacerbation of respiratory conditions. Additionally, onions contain sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which exhibit antimicrobial properties capable of targeting pathogens that irritate the respiratory tract. These compounds not only help to soothe inflamed tissues but also bolster the immune system, providing a dual mechanism of action that addresses both the symptoms and underlying causes of coughs. Honey, the second cornerstone of this remedy, complements the onion's therapeutic properties with its own array of health-promoting attributes. Central to honey's efficacy is its high concentration of natural sugars, which create an osmotic environment inhospitable to bacteria and other microorganisms. This antimicrobial action helps to clear infections that may be contributing to persistent coughing. Furthermore, honey functions as a demulcent, forming a protective film over the mucosal lining of the throat. This coating effect alleviates irritation and reduces the urge to cough, offering immediate relief to those suffering from dry or ticklish coughs. Beyond its physical properties, honey contains trace amounts of enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that support overall immune function, reinforcing the body's ability to recover from illness. The interplay between onions and honey amplifies their individual benefits, creating a remedy greater than the sum of its parts. When combined, the sulfur compounds in onions enhance the penetration of quercetin into affected tissues, while honey's viscous texture ensures that these compounds remain in contact with the throat for an extended period. This prolonged exposure maximizes the absorption of the active ingredients, optimizing their therapeutic impact. Moreover, the osmotic properties of honey facilitate the extraction of water-soluble compounds from the onions during the infusion process, ensuring that the final syrup is densely packed with bioactive molecules. This symbiotic relationship underscores why the combination of onions and honey has been revered in traditional medicine for centuries. Modern scientific research has begun to corroborate the anecdotal evidence supporting this remedy. Studies have demonstrated that quercetin, when paired with honey, exhibits enhanced bioavailability, meaning it is more readily absorbed and utilized by the body. This finding aligns with observations that the onion honey syrup provides rapid and sustained relief from cough symptoms. Additionally, clinical trials have highlighted honey's efficacy as a standalone treatment for upper respiratory infections, with outcomes comparable to or better than those achieved with over-the-counter cough suppressants. These findings not only validate the traditional use of this remedy but also position it as a viable alternative to synthetic medications, particularly for individuals seeking gentler, more natural options. The universal appeal of the onion honey syrup lies in its ability to address a wide spectrum of respiratory issues. Whether the cough stems from viral infections, allergies, or environmental irritants, the remedy's multifaceted action targets the root cause while simultaneously alleviating discomfort. Its adaptability extends to diverse age groups and health profiles, making it an inclusive solution that transcends demographic boundaries. This versatility, coupled with its safety and ease of preparation, underscores why the onion honey syrup continues to gain traction as a trusted ally in the pursuit of respiratory wellness. Administering the onion honey syrup effectively hinges on understanding the appropriate dosage tailored to different age brackets, ensuring both safety and efficacy. For adults, the recommended intake typically involves 3 teaspoons spread throughout the day. This dosage capitalizes on the full therapeutic potential of the syrup, addressing persistent coughs with sufficient potency. The adult metabolism efficiently processes the active compounds in the syrup, allowing for a robust response to the remedy's antimicrobial and soothing properties. Spreading the dosage throughout the day maintains a steady presence of the syrup's active ingredients in the system, enhancing its cough suppressant effects. For children, the dosage must be adjusted to account for their smaller body size and developing metabolic systems. A half teaspoon per day is generally advised, balancing the need for symptom relief with the child's tolerance levels. This reduced quantity ensures that the syrup remains effective without overwhelming the child's system. Parents are encouraged to administer the syrup at regular intervals, such as morning and evening, to maintain consistent therapeutic levels in the child's bloodstream. Observing the child's response to the syrup is crucial, as it guides any necessary adjustments in dosage, ensuring optimal comfort and health outcomes. Toddlers present a unique challenge due to their heightened sensitivity to new substances. Here, a quarter teaspoon per day is often sufficient. This minimal dose introduces the syrup's benefits gently, mitigating potential adverse reactions. Caregivers should monitor toddlers closely after administration, noting any changes in behavior or symptoms that might suggest sensitivity or intolerance. It is advisable to consult with a pediatrician before initiating treatment, especially if the toddler has known allergies or existing health conditions. The administration to infants requires the utmost caution, primarily due to the potential risks associated with honey consumption. A mere dot of the syrup on the infant's tongue is suggested, minimizing exposure while still leveraging the remedy's soothing properties. This cautious approach respects the developmental vulnerabilities of infants, particularly their immature digestive systems and immune responses. Caregivers must weigh the benefits against the risks, possibly opting for alternatives if any doubt exists regarding the infant's tolerance to honey. Across all age groups, the syrup's application should be guided by careful observation and professional advice where necessary. Adjustments in dosage may be warranted based on the severity of symptoms, the individual's health status, and their response to the treatment. This personalized approach ensures that each recipient derives maximum benefit from the remedy, tailored precisely to their needs and circumstances. While the onion honey syrup offers a promising natural remedy for cough relief, its use raises valid concerns, particularly regarding the inclusion of honey in infant diets. The primary issue stems from the risk of botulism, a rare but serious condition caused by toxins produced by Clostridium botulinum spores. These spores, which are naturally present in honey, can thrive in the underdeveloped digestive systems of infants under 1 year old, potentially leading to severe health complications. Given this risk, health authorities worldwide advise against feeding honey to babies, regardless of the quantity. This precautionary measure underscores the importance of exercising extreme care when considering the syrup for very young children. To mitigate these risks, caregivers must adopt a highly cautious approach when administering the remedy to infants. Limiting the dosage to a single dot of syrup on the tongue significantly reduces the likelihood of harm while still allowing the infant to benefit from the syrup's soothing properties. However, even this minimal exposure warrants careful monitoring for any signs of adverse reactions, such as muscle weakness, poor feeding, or lethargy, which could indicate botulism. If any such symptoms arise, immediate medical attention is essential to ensure the infant's safety. For older children and adults, the risks associated with the syrup are considerably lower, though not entirely absent. Allergic reactions to either onions or honey, though rare, can occur and manifest as skin rashes, swelling, or difficulty breathing. Individuals with known allergies to these ingredients should avoid the remedy altogether or consult a healthcare professional before use. Additionally, while honey is generally safe for most people, excessive consumption can lead to digestive discomfort or interact with certain medications, highlighting the importance of adhering to recommended dosages. Another consideration is the potential for contamination during preparation. Using clean utensils and jars is vital to prevent the introduction of harmful bacteria or mold, which could compromise the syrup's safety and efficacy. Proper storage in an airtight container within the refrigerator further minimizes these risks, ensuring the remedy remains stable and free from spoilage. By addressing these concerns through meticulous preparation and responsible administration, users can confidently harness the benefits of the onion honey syrup while minimizing potential hazards. The onion honey syrup stands as a testament to the enduring power of natural remedies in addressing modern health challenges. Its simplicity, accessibility, and effectiveness underscore the value of integrating traditional wisdom with contemporary practices. As society continues to grapple with the limitations and side effects of conventional medications, Remedies like this offer a compelling alternative, one that prioritizes sustainability, affordability, and holistic well-being. By adopting such solutions, individuals not only reclaim agency over their health but also contribute to a broader cultural shift towards self-reliance and environmental stewardship. Encouraging the exploration and utilization of natural remedies like the onion honey syrup empowers communities to embrace a healthier, more harmonious way of living. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of a simple yet powerful natural remedy. The onion honey syrup is more than just a solution for cough relief. It's a reminder of the incredible healing potential found in nature and the wisdom passed down through generations. By combining just 2 ingredients, we can create something truly remarkable that supports wellness in a safe, sustainable, and accessible way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might benefit from this natural remedy. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on holistic health and wellness. Thank you for watching.